Are you planning a rack update or a new installation? There are a lot of options for the market today. How do you choose the best one for your space, budget, and workflow?
Hi, I'm Ryan Walksmith, Dynamic Storage Sales Manager here at Steel King Industries. Let's take a look at a few factors that help determine the best choice of rack for you.
If you have small quantities of many different SKUs, selective systems are inexpensive and will allow easy access to every pallet position. However, if you have fewer SKUs but large quantities, a high-density system will be more effective, such as the economical drive-in rack. Pushback systems, which can increase selectivity by 90%. And for those time-sensitive products, pallet flow, which provides first-in, first-out storage and can be configured up to 30 positions deep, eliminating a lot of aisle space and a lot of forklift travel. Picking and distribution operations need to process orders quickly. Employing automation will improve speed and accuracy. While including conveyors, shuttles, or other automation in your operation, it does increase the front-end costs. However, it is often offset by greater accuracy, increased production, and reduced labor costs. While you're optimizing, don't forget that vertical space, including the unused space above your dock doors, which can be a safe place to store empty pallets. Do you have seasonal fluctuation or a need to move product between plants? Steel King's portable rack or stackable containers may be the answer.
Whatever your storage needs, Steel King offers a full range of choices, so you're guaranteed the rack that fits your application. Our design team and on-staff professional engineers can help you design a system that is manufactured to exceed industry standards and last for years to come.
Click below to request a guide for more rack design tips.